never knew it could be so hard to talk about you. We've been through so much, but looking at how years done flew, it's difficult to look back and see all this. But I know that I would never know a love like this, for real. Yeah, I know it's been a minute since I seen you, love. Every time I'm on the grind, it's you I'm thinking of. Wondering what would have been if I stayed here. But with the current state that I'm in, guess it ain't fair to constantly be bringing up what could have been. Digging up the rubble and the sediment just ain't good for my mental health. Cause the truth is we've been through hell. I done seen it all, but you're still the one that got a hold of my heart. Guess I could never run far away from the truth. Some things I never done. You just give me what I need. You're still my number one. You're still my number one. All I want is you. You're still my number one. All I want is just look at how we turned out, huh? Thought life could only ever get harder. Seeing what we started, get a man balled up, but we made it through, so it ain't no